We now proceed to the graduating student leaders from the IPEA Commission on Elections for academic year 2023-2024. Congratulations, thank you, and we are so proud of you, Mr. John Nicolay T. Correa, Chairperson, Maria Ann Veronica B. Nadora, Vice Chairperson, Peter Joseph J. Manalang, Secretary to the Executive, Brian Edsel U. Ordanza, our Legal Head, Allen M. Duliete, our Logistics Officer, and once again, Avril S. Sapapanyo, our Public Relations Officer. They will be joined on stage by their Faculty Advisor, Assistant Professor Michael David Tan Lopez, RPM MS HMS. Congratulations once again. Next up, we call...
Congratulations, baby. My baby is now a lady, super lady, and you're adult na. Super nakakamangha ka, anak. As in, hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko kasi grabe, nagawa mo lahat. And sa dami-dami na estudyante sa UST, isa ka sa mga may awards. Diba? Alam mo yung kahit... Ewan ko, hindi ko alam saan ang gagaling yung talino mo at sipag mo sa pag-aaral. Kasi hindi ako ganun. Puti na lang talaga. Ayan, once again, congratulations and galing sa puso ko. Ang dami kong gusto sabihin na super duper proud ako sa'yo na grabe, you did it. Grabe, as in you did it, anak. Super, parang kailan lang eh. Tapos nagulat ako, gagraduate ka na. Ayan, so, looking forward sa gala natin and sa pagsasama natin. I love you, and once again, congratulations. See you soon!
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I send them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade, the steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said